I am troubleshooting a Williams System 7 board that is not booting. I am not seeing any clock activity on the CPU, so I thought I'd show how to do that. I have booted this board up with the Pincoder adapter on the LEDs test for System 7. I am using this handy little device, which is a Radioshack Probescope from the mid-90s, but it works super cool. So let me turn that thing on. First I got to turn the board on. Thank you. Alright, so I'll step into it. There we go. Okay, so two convenient places to see the progress, to see what's going on. Let me scoot this over a little bit. Is on pins 39 and 38. And as you can see, nothing's happening. I got a little voltage, but nothing. So if I want to go closer to the clock, I can check here on these two capacitors. And once again, nothing. This one's really hard to get to over here. See, nothing. I'll edit in a working board so you can see what it looks like. Okay, here we've got a working System 7 board. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Probescope, and we're going to look at pin 39. You can see activity. Pin 38, activity. And if I go closer to the clock, you can see it there. And get in there. And what I'm measuring is on the outside legs of those two capacitors, because they are connected directly to the clock itself. Alright, I decided to replace the IC1 and IC17 sockets on this board. I wanted to stop here because it might be hard to see, but these pins are very green on the IC1 socket. Alright, update. I replaced the IC1 and IC17 sockets, cleaned up the corrosion, and got them ready. And there's still some additional corrosion on this board that should be tackled. So that'll be my next step. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it on. And you will see it's booting. But I am going to take my Probescope and go down here to pin 39. You can see the waveform. And 38. And we have clock signal. So you need the MPU and the crystal in order to get that clock signal. And if they're both not working, you're not going to get anything.